Hey everyone, welcome back. Is your Cleo budget or spending screen loading completely blank with no transactions or numbers showing at all? Here's the fix. A blank budget or spending screen usually means Cleo's connection to your link bank data timed out while loading. Rather than your data being missing, force close Cleo from your recent apps to completely close it and reopen it. Then navigate back to the budget or spending tab and give it a few extra seconds to load on a fresh session. If it's still blank, go to the control center or settings and check your connection strength. Switch to mobile data in your settings if the Wi-Fi signal is still low, since this screen pulls live data and fails silently on poor connection. Force close and reopen again after switching connections. If the screen remains blank across multiple attempts, go to settings, then go to general, iPhone storage, and scroll down to the list of apps to find Cleo. Tap on it, then tap Offload app. Reinstall it fresh again from the App Store, which clears any corrupted local cache of your budget data and forces Cleo to pull a clean copy the next time you log in. So all you've got to do is force close and reopen first, switch to a stronger connection if needed, and reinstall if it's still blank. Your budget and spending data loads properly, and that's it. Subscribe.